Welcome to Psych for Everyone. Today, I'll teach you a simple and powerful way to practice mindful meditation, a method used in cognitive behavioral therapy to calm the mind, reduce stress, and help you gain control over your thoughts. Mindfulness is simply the skill of paying attention on purpose to the present moment without judging it. It is not about stopping your thoughts. It is not about emptying your mind. It is about learning to notice what's happening, your breath, your thoughts, your sensations, and letting them be. Find a quiet and comfortable place. You can sit on a chair, a couch, or on the floor, whatever feels natural. Keep your back straight but relaxed. Let your hands rest gently on your lap. And if you're comfortable, close your eyes. Gently bring your attention to your breath. You don't need to breathe deeply or change anything. Just notice the natural rhythm of breathing in and breathing out. Feel the air move through the nose. Feel your chest or your belly rise and fall. Your breath comes and goes, becomes your anchor, something to return to whenever the mind drifts. And it will wander. That's normal. Thoughts will show up like, what do I need to do later? Why am I thinking so much? Am I doing this right? When this happens, don't judge yourself. Just mentally note there is a thought or there is a feeling. And then gently bring your attention back to the breath. Every time you return, you're strengthening the muscle of mindfulness. After a minute or two, expand your awareness. Notice sensations in your body, warmth, pressure, tension, or relaxation. Notice sounds around you. Notice emotions, whether calm, restless, or neutral. You're not trying to change anything, just observing with curiosity. Let everything come and go, like clouds passing through the sky. Slowly bring your attention back to your breath again. Take a gentle, deep breath in and out. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe calmer, maybe more aware, or maybe the same. All of that is okay. Practicing mindfulness for even a few minutes a day can improve focus, reduce stress, and help you manage anxiety and negative thoughts. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more mental health and psychology education. See you in the next video.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future content.